Yo, what's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we got something cool today. I think it's cool. But yeah, I'll be showing you guys how to make these side skirts right here. See this? Yeah. And I also made this one right here on the bottom. I don't have enough door trim for them, but yeah. If you guys are interested in making some for yourself at home, this is the video right here. Stay tuned. Yeah. Alright guys, so yesterday I went to go pick up the plastic, and last night I did my measurements for this to get the shape that I want. This is where the jack holes are gonna be, and this too. So yeah, now all I gotta do is just cut along this tape, and that tape, and then we'll have the shape that we want. So yeah, let's do it. Okay guys, so here I'm basically trying to trace the line that I outlined for the with the tape, and yeah, I was kind of having a hard time right here. This plastic's pretty thick, although it doesn't look like it's thick in the video. It's pretty thick, but yeah. Right here you can tell I was kind of getting frustrated right here, but I was really determined to finish it. And yeah, I was getting tired of the chunk just hanging off, so I kind of just curved it off right there so that I can get that big piece hanging off, I guess. But yeah, right here I'm just going back and trimming the melted parts, making it a nice smooth finish. Alright, so I got the main shape out, so I'm going to sand the edges a little bit to make it smoother, and then I'll cut these out. I should cut those out now. Alright, so actually I'm just going to cut the front one out, because that's where I jack the car in the front. And for the back one, I don't really jack the car from here, I jack it in the center of the car. So yeah, let's just sand it, cut the next one, and we're done. Alright, so I got the second one all traced out. I'm gonna start cutting it, and yeah, I'll try to figure out how I'm gonna put this on the car.
Sit down, you sit down, you sit down, you sit down.
So basically on this side, just do the same as you did on the other side. Follow the lines and stuff. You can make your own shape. This is just the shape that I was going for, a little flare on the outside to match my mud flaps. But yeah, you can definitely make your own shape, you know, give it your own taste.
Like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light.
Right here they are, both skirts or side splitters are cut out. Now I just gotta mount them on. So yeah, these are the jack holes. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So like this right here. Right here, this is where the jack goes when you jack up the car. So yeah. Alright, so this is what I mean when I jack my car up by the center. Right there. That's just a drive shaft. I'm not too sure it'll not that mechanically inclined. But yeah, I'm gonna stack her up. Alright, so I ended up bringing the car down. I'm gonna start from the front because I gotta make the splitter line up with this mud flap. So I'm gonna start from the front and work our way back. Let's see. Alright, I might be able to work right here at this height. Might be perfect. Alright. Guys, you wanna know something funny? For some odd reason, these don't line up. I swear I did the measurements correctly, but they don't line up. It's weird. Whatever. Okay, so here I'm actually having a hard time putting the screws into the side skirt that's attached to the car. It's a very skinny, it's like less than an inch to work with, and some of them is like 1/4 inch, and yeah, it's pretty hard to aim for it, but yeah, we did it. Alright, so the side splitter is complete. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product right now. And yeah, hope you guys like it. I kind of like it. I dig it. It looks good. I did do some extra in the back, and I'll show you guys now. So yeah, I got the side splitters here. I put the orange trim on it. I did this back area right here too, just so that's a complete, complete look. Yeah. Alright guys, as always, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, comment down what you guys think and what you guys want to see next. If you guys are new, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications, and yeah, next week we will be putting on the new diffuser, so stay tuned for that. Peace.